Hello guys, welcome to the channel Programmer King. How are you? I hope that you are healthy and fine. Now we are starting C++ tutorial. So in the first video we will learn Hello World program. Hello guys, so let's start the video. So to run C++ and Android, install this app. This app is seen here. You can download it freely from the Play Store. C++ coding, and this app is installed, so I will open it, and here you will see a simple interface prepared for the Hello World program / include angular brackets IOStream. It means the basic functions and classes are imported in the C++ project. Okay, using namespace std, it is using std namespace. So int main is the main method of C++ program, so remember it. Count hello world handle, here there is count. We can see this is like system.out.println in Java. Like, you can understand what I am going to say. I want to say that it something prints something in the console, and angular bracket, double angular bracket, always followed by the count. So hello world, here hello world will be printed. Let's run it. It is compiling. Hello world has printed. Now here endl means the command has ended. Okay, don't forget to place semicolons, and C++ is a case sensitive language, so never forget to type world to world defined in the C++. Now this video ends here, and I have seen that you are not subscribing my channel, so please subscribe and watch the full video, because I am too much working hard to make videos. My voice is low, but I can let you understand in a better way. So watch full video and enjoy it. Subscribe too. Thanks.